Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. If you are trying to get PalmPay POS machine, probably for your business or for doing transaction, which of course PalmPay is one of the best POS machine that you can actually use to kickstart. Maybe you want to start doing transaction, withdrawing money for people, and then maybe you want to use it for your business, for checking out where your customer have their ATM card with you, they want to pay with through ATM machine. So it will make it easier for you to run your business smoothly without any issue. So I'm going to walk you through how to secure a POS machine from PalmPay, and then what it entails and how you can actually get started with it. So first and foremost is you head up to palmpay.com/agent/POS. So these agents mean people who are literally interested in using PalmPay POS to do transaction, of course, but definitely you can also use it for your personal business, and there is a charges fee which will probably charge you as the business owner or from your customer who are actually using their ATM card to withdraw or to make payment through your PalmPay POS within your business. So that means you are going to register it based on your business. So make more money with the PalmPay POS. So like I said earlier, it's strictly for people who actually want to be in an area whereby there is a lot of people, but then the bank is very far from them, and then you feel like you just want to serve those people so that you make it more easier for them in sending and receiving money within this space. So you earn high commission and offer your customer reliable payment as a PalmPay mobile money agent. So you can download and sign up to the PalmPay agent app to get started. So like I said, I'm gonna walk you through. So and then these are the single country that the PalmPay actually serve, and company about us, career and blogs. You can also find some different agents within the space. So this is for PalmPay app if you want to download the app. So become a PalmPay agent. This is what you will definitely get from them: 24/7 support, earn more money for yourself, and value added service, and the right device for you, which means they are going to give you the device which you will definitely need in order to succeed in your business. You can also join over 200,000 other people who are actually an agent across Nigeria using PalmPay to do transaction, and they are definitely doing well. Choose the best POS for you. So this is one of they have different kind of POS machine. This is one, this is another one, and this is the third one. So I'm very sure they all depends on some kind of features, because I know that there are some ATM card that cannot send out money, but they can only receive money by inserting ATM card to the machine. But then there are also some that actually can send out money so far you insert the ATM card to it. So it's as simple as that. If you want to get started with this, so it's available for Android device and iOS device, and it's very easy to also sign up and make the payment as well as delivery. So let's see. Okay, now so this is how you can actually apply. You input your full name, your phone number, your email address. If you are a merchant, you also input it there. If you are a merchant who is trying to doing transaction from one place to another, so you choose it here. Then do you have POS terminal? So you also choose the right one for yourself. And what state do you currently reside in? So you choose your state, Nigeria, then you choose your city as well. So then you click on apply, then they will get back to you under 24 hours. So you just have to wait for them. This is the best way you can actually use to apply for the POS machine, instead of you downloading the app and looking for a way to go about it. But then if you follow this method, you are going to get it as fast as possible, and if there's any money you're going to pay, they're going to get back to you. And then these are the frequently asked questions which you can also check if it's important. What area do PalmPay support? So I'm very sure they support almost every state in Nigeria. How do I become PalmPay agent? So if you follow this method, you can get started, and then they'll get back to you for more requirements, which of course might need it from you. So what are the requirements to become a PalmPay agent? What's the fee policy if I want to get a PalmPay POS? Then what are the benefits of becoming a PalmPay agent? What should I do if I have problem with using PalmPay POS? What if I want to return PalmPay POS? So those are the things, and I'm very sure most of PalmPay are trying to get some agents around each state, which will also make it more easier for people to get along with it. So this is the best way you need to follow if you actually want to get started using PalmPay POS to do some transaction for yourself, and then within a short period of time you'll be able to work things out for yourself and start making money from them, or start using PalmPay POS to run your business smoothly. So if you have any question, let me know through the comment section below, and I'm very much happy to reply to you as fast as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.